Alright, it's time for another unboxing video. This is a Christmas gift to somebody, and he's pretty religious, he's a Christian, so I'm giving him an ancient nail, the type of which is identical in style to those that would have been used to crucify Jesus. So this one was metal detected in Bulgaria, hence the unusual mailing information. It's nice that they put it in some cardboard with bubble wrap inside of it, inside a bubble wrapped envelope, because even though this is an iron nail, iron shatters like glass, and I guarantee that the post offices and stuff were crushing it. And of course, it's possibly ancient. This could be much newer, could be from the 18th century for all I know. It's really hard to date a piece of metal. I guess it's not bubble wrap, it's plastic. It looked like bubble wrap through the slit. Sorry about the interruption. So the nails that they would have used in the crucifixion would have been about 3 to 5 inches long, and they would have been about ½ inch or larger for the diameter of the head. Possibly smaller, it's hard to say, because they are just repurposed building nails. That's all they were. Just nails from buildings that the Romans had taken down because they were putting up modern buildings at the time. They were trying to make Jerusalem something more Roman, something significant. So there it is, some sort of late antiquity or possibly ancient nail. These are almost always sold as Roman crucifixion nails online. And yeah, the Romans made it to Bulgaria, but the likelihood of it actually being Roman is pretty low. Without more provenance, such as documentation from an archaeological site, it doesn't really mean much. It's just a handmade nail. But I thought it would make a lovely little Christmas gift to somebody who has a passion for the same passion Jesus had. So happy birthday to Jesus, and thank you for your sacrifice.